Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm folding realistic jet here. As you can see, there's a texture. So we're gonna use these paper, and it got some textures on the back, so you can see textures as the invisible one. So let's start. Fold this paper in half. Make sure it's the colorway front, so that you can fold this. Okay. Start off with this. Gonna fold it into half. Triangle. Fold it into half and crease it. Then we're gonna make two sides on the middle line. As you can see, this, right? Another side as well. And then flip it backwards so that you got it. Flip it backwards. As this. As long as you can see the line here, it's matched. It's good. Okay, now you got this crease. Just open the two sides. And then flip it this way. And then make a normal airplane fold. I call this airplane fold. You can call it whatever you want. Just a normal fold. Here, as you can see. And then you're gonna flip it backward again. You can see, takes this pocket, I already fold it. Just don't worry about it. Take this pocket, make the color set here, and then as long as you can, these two edges match. This is good. So two sides. I created it. Okay, you can flip it backward. You got a flower, and then flip it like a kite. You see these two lines, right? We're gonna make a crease there, which is folding that thing upward. And then open the whole thing up. Just open the whole thing. You got the crease, and fold it this again. You can see these. We're gonna fold this tip to here. Okay, this tip to here. And then we're gonna fold these two the same. And then what we're gonna do is, not that one. Flip it backward and just do the same thing. So now I got it. And then for these two, sorry, I'm going to get too much. And then you're gonna take these two tips and just put it in. Just put it in. Don't worry about these 2 pockets. Put it in, and you can see here. Fold it backward. You can see here. And then you're gonna like this, and then you're gonna put it like this. And you can see here. Okay, I've got it. You can see here, you fold it upwards, put these 2 pockets in, and then what you're gonna do is you fold it back. You see these 2 pockets, what you just made, right? You can see it. This is a pocket, and this is a strap. So we're gonna flip the pocket. So wait a minute. Let me tell you how to do it. Just flip the pocket. So flip it. Now side as well. Flip it. Flip the pocket. Like this. Fold these 2s in. And on the bottom, you just fold it upwards. Remember, it's on the front. There. And then this side, we're gonna put this up inside here. And I got this curve shaped. And then you're just gonna make the wings. And then we just make the wings. Wait. Okay, when you make the wings, it should look like this. You're almost done. Open it. No, not open it. Open the wings. You can see here you gotta fold upwards, fold it upwards, fold it upwards. Yep, and then fold it down. And so you can see there's a crease. So just tip it upwards. Just tip it upwards. And then follow the crease. Tip it upward, follow the crease. And almost there. And there you go. And refold the wings. You got a little tip. This is the upward. And we're gonna make the tip a little bit creasing here. Now you got it. Texture. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. And we're about to end our channel. Just let you see how it flies well. Sorry. Oops. Let's try the second fly. Twice there. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe, and make sure to click the notification bell to know what's my next video.